so I've been wanting to change the muffler. So underneath the Dodge is like this gigantic, it looks like a small water heater muffler. And I've been wanting to change it out for some time. And I'm an older guy, so it's not like I need to have like, something super loud. I like the performance of glass pack type mufflers, and but I really didn't want to get a super loud one. But so I went ahead and got a glass pack muffler. I had to order it because it's 3-inch pipe in and out, so it's a behemoth. It's a big glass pack muffler. I'm not going. It's made by Cherry Bomb, but they're not sponsoring me in any way. So I'm going to put a glass pack muffler on there. I'm in one of those states where I can do that. So, but I'm going to do it in a way so that way I can always take it off and go back to, or change out the muffler. I'm not going to weld it. I'm going to clamp it in place. I've seen some people that are clamping those, so we'll give that a shot. But yeah, I sprayed those bolts a couple days ago, and we'll see if we can get them to come off. Alright, so the first thing we're going to try is we're going to try to get the rusty bolts out of here and get these clamps off. I got a feeling I might have to cut them off, but let's give it a shot, shall we? Or break my knuckles.
Have you ever been put in a position where you didn't think that you had the strength to carry on? You must never give up. This is the time that you must wake up and realize that giving up is not the option that you must take.
You gotta have that mindset that quitting is not an option. Give up? Who, me? Never. Stop? Who, me? Never. That's for the next guy. That's for the next girl. But not me. Why? Because I don't quit. That ain't how I do it. That ain't how I roll. I never give up.
Sprayed some, oh, there it goes. Ow. I sprayed some dry lube on there. Come on. Freaking tub. Oh. Come on. Okay, so the muffler is about 4 inches too short. I don't know if you can see that or not. But the hanger in the back, I can probably move and or just make another hanger. I don't know if I should push instead of pull. We're gonna pull. Table and roll. Okay, so made up my new rod. I did a hooky thing on the end so it can't pull out. Got some heavy duty stainless steel bolt-on clamps. So that's pretty solid. I know it can't go out. Now I gotta go ahead and anchor up that Cherry Bomb. Take it back and forth until that sucker feels solid that it ain't gonna move. About 8 threads. That feels like it's a little bit more. That feels pretty solid. Oh. my friend, is perfect. Perfect for the 5.7 liter Hemi. Man, that sounds nice. That sounds really good. So not too loud, but loud enough, and it feels good too. So I'm dying to check it out on the road and see what it's like. Got the glass pack on the truck. Sounds amazing. So anyways, before you guys go, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. That'd be great. And you can follow me on Facebook, 2Awolf. You can look on Facebook. I'm building a web page because I got some merch that's coming up, and should be a couple weeks when the shirts are ready. So CJ, you guys over there at Happy Hookers Fishing, got some shirts coming. I'm going to send you guys some shirts, and then I should have some shirts left over that help get started. And I have one more project that's coming up, but I can't say anything until I can figure it out. But it has something to do with the logos on the truck. So, yeah. Whew. Got a lot done in a short amount of time, and I love that glass pack on the truck. Sounds really nice. I guess that's about it. So anyways, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. And I want to thank you for following along on 2Awolf.